Hello everyone, this is Damian Ramos, and in today's video I'll be doing a brief overview of the opening screen of Kwik Model 3D. So when you open up Kwik Model for the first time and you have activated your license, this is what you should be greeted with. We can start at the top left corner over here where we have our toolbar. We have this button where you can save your project. This is to adjust the settings, adjust the resolution settings, and the help button for the current tool that you are using. And next to that, we have these tabs where essentially you'll just be going through these in order when you're working on a project, building it up step by step. So right now we're on the project info tab where you would input project information on this left hand panel. Stuff like name, address, city, floor plan area, etc. And then next we have the libraries tab, which is for setting, changing, and adding surface types for things like your windows, doors, rooms, roofs, etc. And then next to that we have floor plan, where you'll add your floor plans for your project. You'll add more floors if your house has multiple floors. Next we have rooms, where you'll add rooms, boxes, ceilings, shapes to your project. Windows and doors is for obviously adding windows and doors to your project. HVAC Draw is for adding your HVAC components like the air handler, registers, ducts, etc. Roofs is for adding a roof to your house. Data tab is where you have information on your surface types, air handlers, ducts, etc. Friction rate is where you can calculate the friction rate of the HVAC system you're designing. Free draw is for free drawing shapes and ducts on your model. And finally, field draw is for drawing an outline of the house to fit boxes within. These last two are a little more advanced, I'd say. For most projects, you probably won't really need to do free draw or field draw, but in the future, that might be something you'll need and something you can learn to use. And then next to that, we have this toggle to make sure your ducts are set up properly. And then here's a button to enter into energy gauge loads and do your load calculations. And then we have this file drop down where you can open a project, like start a new one, save, load, Kwik Model, get a screenshot, export, etc. Okay, now for this part of the video, I wanted to open up a simple house that I had made before just to show off the visibility view options that we have. So on the top right, we have these buttons for the view. So we have the front view, left, back, right, and top view. And then we have a button for the previous one that you had inputted. And then here's an option for 2D view. This is best for when you want to add like a floor plan, or if you want to add your rooms to a floor plan. Put it back to front. We have this toggle for locking the camera speed. So that's the speed of panning and zooming into your project. And then we have a slider just to adjust how fast, how slow it is. This is to show the lengths of the perimeter edges in field draw mode. And then this is to show off the perimeter, and you can adjust it with the slider. This is for showing the ducts of your project. So as you can see, when I press that, ducts go away, and you can adjust the view of it with this slider. And this is to show the grid of the project, and you can adjust how it looks with this slider. I'll just turn it off for now. And this is for your view options for the floors of your house. So you can turn that off to not see the floor. You can do view all. And then this is to check whether or not you want to edit that specific floor of the house. If you have multiple floors, you're going to see multiple panels, and you can adjust which rooms, which floors that you want to see. Here's to view the roof, and again a slider for how it looks. This is for the rooms, so you can turn that off, and you can adjust again how it looks. And then the floor plan if you don't want to see it, and a slider to adjust how it looks. And then down here we have just a couple more things. This is to show the name of the current tool, and then there's a button right next to it to get some help about it. I'll just close that for now. This is the project name, and then here's the button to show the location of the folder where this project is, and this is the version number of Kwik Model, and then right next to that we have a button to get the download the newest version of Kwik Model, and then finally bottom right are buttons to manage your license and undo and redo. And that is it for today's video on the opening screen of Kwik Model. I hope this helps you out, and thank you for watching.